You've just been named personal representative in Minnesota. The first 30 days can feel overwhelming. There's emotion, there's paperwork, there's family pressure, and there are legal responsibilities. Most first-time executors don't know where to start. Some move too quickly. Some wait too long. Some start distributing property before they have authority. That's where problems begin. The first 30 days are not about finishing probate. They're about laying the right foundation. At Yanowitz Law Firm, we regularly guide Minnesota personal representatives through this initial phase. When handled properly, the process becomes structured and manageable. Here are some key priorities in the first month. Determine whether probate is required. Not every estate requires probate. You need to evaluate how assets are titled, whether there are beneficiary designations, and whether real estate was owned individually or by a trust. If probate is necessary, timing matters. Open probate and obtain authority. A will does not automatically give you power. You must petition a court. You must be officially appointed. You must receive documentation granting authority. Until then, you cannot legally act on behalf of the estate. The next step is to secure and preserve assets. If there is real estate, confirm insurance coverage. Secure the property. Continue any necessary payments for real estate taxes. But if there are financial accounts, notify institutions. Prevent unauthorized access. You are acting as a fiduciary. That means you are responsible for protecting assets for beneficiaries and creditors. Do not distribute property early. That is a common mistake. Even small personal property distributions can create conflict later if creditors' claims arise, tax obligations appear, and assets shift in value. Wait until you understand the full estate picture. Imagine a daughter in Rochester is named personal representative of her father's estate. Within 2 weeks, siblings begin asking about sentimental items. She wants to keep the peace, so she distributes personal property informally. Later, an unexpected creditor claim surfaces. Now she has unequal distributions, and that situation was avoidable. The first 30 days are not about speed, they are about clarity. The role is not to wrap things up quickly. Your role is to protect assets, follow proper procedure, act with fairness and documentation. Probate rewards structure. It punishes shortcuts. If you've recently had a loved one pass away in Minnesota, early guidance makes enormous difference. Schedule a consultation before major decisions are made. The first 30 days shape everything that follows.